How to get 200 life in Killer Bean Unleashed. So in this video, I'll teach you how to get 200 life in Killer Bean Unleashed. As you can see, I have 100 life health up there that I am pointing on 100 life health. So in this video, I'll show you how to get 200 life in Killer Bean Unleashed. So please to like this video and share it also. I'll teach you how to get it. How to get it. So you're going to click on Chrome, everyone. Go on your mobile phone, make sure you have internet, and then you click on Chrome. Yes, so this page load up, so you're going to search for a Killer Bean. Killer Bean Mod APK. Yes, APK latest version. So you're going to type in what I am typing. Killer Bean Mod APK latest version. Latest version of Killer Bean. Yes, so I'm going to search for it. Killer Bean latest version. Now you're going to tap on that link right there. That is the first link. Killer Bean APK. Tap on it. Now you're going to scroll down, everyone, on this website. You're going to scroll down. You scroll down with me. Then you're going to tap on APK. Tap on APK. Click on close. Now you're going to see that the link is loading off the download. Now you're going to click on download, guys. Click on download. Now you're going to click on download. Now you're going to click on details. Click on details. Now you're going to see that Killer Bean Unleashed is downloading right now. So we're going to wait on it till it complete download. Now you're going to click on that side. Killer Bean Unleashed 508. Now tap on that link now, guys. And then now you're going to see that the file is installed in. Click on that file. You're going to see unknowns staging up. Yes, you're going to see unknowns staging up right there. Then you're going to click on install right now. Yes, make the app install in. So you have to wait a few minutes for the app to install. Yes, you're going to tap on open right here. You're going to tap on open. Right here, you're going to see that your Killer Bean app is opening up. Yes, make it opening up right now. This Killer Bean app. As you can see, we can go to store. So we're going to go to store now, guys, to get the 200 life activated. So we're going to click on store. Now you see that own weapon. Then you're going to select play. Guys, you're going to select play. Now, when you select play, you're going to see that the map is loaded up. Right here, select store level 1, guys. Right here, I'm going to press next right over here. Press next to play the 11. Right here, store level mod 1 I am playing right now. As you can see right over there, I have 200 life health, guys. 200 life health I am having right here. Guys, if you want to know how to get unlimited bullet in Killer Bean, so press the video on the screen that will show you how to get unlimited bullet in Killer Bean right now. Press the video on the screen.